You have failed a physics test. The feeling of humiliation and anger clings onto you for failing such an easy exam. However, you are not stupid. Your creative genius mind starts to think of ideas to destroy this pathetic test paper. So, how will you completely destroy the information on your test paper? The simple idea is to take the paper and shred it into pieces. However, it is still possible to collect all of its pieces and assemble them like a jigsaw puzzle, and you have retrieved the test paper. The fact is that classical physics is deterministic. If you know the position and momentum of all particles at one time, you can trace back the trajectories of the particles and get to the initial state. Fuming with anger, you give it one more shot. This time you set the paper on fire, thinking that it is impossible to get it back from the ashes. However, burning paper is a chemical change. The carbon and hydrogen from the paper reacts with oxygen in air to give carbon dioxide and water vapor. This making and breaking of chemical bonds is explained by quantum mechanics. In fact, there is a theorem in quantum mechanics that says quantum information such as the states of atom cannot be destroyed. So in principle, you can make a super high-tech device that can trace this quantum information and retrieve your test paper. You begin to cry in anguish, thinking you have even failed to destroy the test paper. Nature doesn't seem to have a delete button until you encounter a black hole. Black holes are characterized by the no-hair theorem. According to the no-hair theorem, you can only know the mass, charge, and the angular momentum of a black hole. These three quantities completely characterize a black hole. On top of that, black holes show a fascinating phenomena called Hawking radiation, discovered by Stephen Hawking in 1974. This phenomena shows that black holes are gradually evaporating. So, over a long period of time, black holes shred their mass in the form of radiation, just like a wood on fire emitting heat and light. When you throw your test paper in a black hole, the black hole's mass increases. However, the identity of your test paper is still inside the black hole. But with time, the black hole evaporates, emitting radiation and losing its mass. The question is, can we retrieve the test paper from this Hawking radiation? The answer is no. Because of the no-hair theorem, you can only know the mass lost by the black hole. The information that you have failed in your test paper is lost, as we can only know the mass of the test paper and not the information on it. But doesn't that violate the theorem that quantum information cannot be destroyed? It does. This contradiction between the no-hair theorem and quantum information is called the black hole information loss paradox. This paradox has baffled some of the very brilliant physicists for last 4 decades and is still now an unsolved problem of physics. You finally smile. You have probably destroyed the information of your test paper, and nobody in the world knows if it is possible to retrieve it back. You breathe with satisfaction. You pull out your pen and paper and begin to solve the black hole information paradox, and never stop questioning